Welcome back to Story World. Don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin this video. It's me, Mirha Fatima, author of my first book called A Rainy Day. It was a rainy day. Bob and his dog Luffy were walking home when the rain began to fall harder and harder. The streets were wet and sunny, and big raindrops danced around them. Bob and his dog Luffy ran through puddles trying to stay dry. Luffy, we need to find shelter, said Bob. Suddenly, Bob saw his favorite bookstore. Come on, Luffy, he shouted. Inside the warm shop smelled like old books and coca. The shopkeeper whispered, on rainy days, a hidden treasure appears, but a giant guards it. Bob's eyes grew wide. A treasure? Can I have a map? He asked eagerly. The shopkeeper smiled and handed him a rolled up map tied with a golden ribbon. Be careful, he said. Bob hugged the map. Let's do this together, Luffy. But Luffy, they followed the map to a dark cave. A sign read, Danger! Keep out! Luffy, we have to be brave, said Bob. They found other path and walked deeper into the cave. Suddenly, a glow lit up the walls. Every color of the rainbow. Then a road echoed. A huge crocodile and a strange monster appeared. Bob whispered, we don't have any weapons. Luffy growled softly. Bob smiled. I know. Light scares darkness. He turned on his flashlight and shone it at the monsters. Slowly, they faded away. In their place, a treasure chest shimmered with golden coins and rainbow gems. Bob picked one shiny coin. We did it, Luffy. Outside, the rain had stopped. A rainbow stretched across the sky. Every rainy day has a little magic, said Bob. Luffy wagged his tail. Together, they walked home under the rainbow. Thank you for watching and keep supporting. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.